going on, guys? Just Raids here, the king of blooper reels, because I actually have a blooper coming out for you guys. This video of me and OJX here trying to. Guys, look at his face, though. He looks absolutely ridiculous. I know, guys. Also, we have.
What's going on, guys? Me, OJX here, back with another video. And today, guys, we're gonna be doing some not solo bedwars. That's what I'm saying. Double bedwars with Just Raids. Go buy his merch because he got merch at 15 subs.
I have 18, 16.
But
one
guys,
sub. Hey, it's better than making merch at one sub. Just that one kid with one subscriber watching this video, staring. Just that one kid. Like when you know, like when you're going to the park and there's just this one old
merch with no videos and no subs.
Okay, I just want to say this. So this actually happened to me a lot, and I'm pretty sure this happens to.
Making merch without even a channel. Imagine making merch without even a channel.
Oh my god. Then it wouldn't even be considered. It would just be considered a shirt that you made. But I will say this though. I know this happens to a lot of people because it happened to me. So you know that one. So do you know that one guy that when you go to the park, he's just always staring at you and watching you, basically looking into your soul. And he gets up and says hi to you, but then after he says hi to you, he's always watching you the day after that. That happens to everyone, right? Right?
No.
Wait, what?
No.
That means it just.
You hear me?
Does that mean that
My mic muted.
No. Does that mean that there's just this creepy old man staring at me when I go to the park? Kind of scared. Why aren't you bridging? Time to breezely bridge. It took you that long. You know, I'm just gonna go. I was about to breeze, bro.
Get him.
Savage kids. Did somebody break?
I'm gonna pick it up.
An iron sword.
What? Did you still kill?
No, an iron sword. Savage kid. Did somebody hurt your face? Well, too bad it was ugly anyways. There's that little remix of Savage Love. Savage kid. Did somebody make fun of your face? Well, too bad, you honestly deserved it.
Oh, do you know I have ladders, kid? Oh, do you know I have ladders, kid? Out of here! Ladder clutch! GG! Team up.
A knockback stick!
Let's try to do with the knockback stick, but I just failed.
I honestly respect the knockback stick. If you don't respect the knockback stick, guys, you can just go ahead and leave.
I respect the knockback stick as well, but he used it very badly, so I don't respect him. You cannot. Oh yeah. Oh, it's I thought that was great. Well, first I'm like, oh wait, what?
Hey, I'm right behind you.
Don't.
I can't team grief if I don't have a fireball.
Dude, don't team grief ever, never. Or else you'll be dead. And all your fans will hate you and never buy your merch again. That's what happens.
No one buys my merch anyway, and I don't make money off of it because YouTube thinks I'm not eligible to make money.
Then why do you get merch?
No one asked you.
Caramel says dead. Don't mind if I do. Getting obby, guys. This is how you get obby.
Dude, remember remember that one time we rushed Forge?
Oh yeah.
Never forget the time that we rushed.
Oh, I had 4 emeralds on me. He had no. I got hit off, and I had 4 emeralds on me. He had 2, and there's 2 Eastern. I had 4 diamonds as well.
Oh, I fell. This is why I need to quit Minecraft.
Karma. I don't know.
How is it karma? I didn't do anything to you. What, do you have a grudge or something?
Exactly. That's what happened.
Isn't holding a grudge like not allowed? Wait, that's illegal. You know that meme where the Halo dude just goes, wait, that's illegal. Also, guys, make sure to subscribe to Favor My Saber.
We don't talk about memes on this channel here, Kyle. We do not talk about memes on this channel here.
Cough, Malumpy. They differ.
Who?
Malumpy! Who? Malumpy. I'm texting him. I'm gonna text him that you said that.
Like monkey
would beg to differ.
Monkey
Wait,
who? I thought you said Monkey Lemmy or
what?
Monkey Lemmy or something like that.
Dude, Red doesn't even have a... Wait, what? Red doesn't even have a bed. Wait, what? Oh, but Blue doesn't either.
I got 4
Wait, no! I hate myself.
Oh my gosh.
It's all your fault.
I have 4 enemies, so I'm coming back later.
How about you come back now and get those diamonds so we can rush Forge? If we don't rush Forge, I want to like team grief you all the time.
Stop, bro. Forge is not.
Forge! Forge! Forge!
Stop.
You better have gotten
If
Forge.
we have enough for diamonds, if we have enough diamonds for sharp, then we can use sharp. But the rest of the diamonds use Forge, okay? Deal?
No.
Chris admit, I don't like that.
Where are you? Are you on a bridge? You better hope that you put your emeralds in that ender chest of yours.
No.
You better hope you put your ender chest. You better hope that you put those emeralds of yours in your ender chest.
Almost.
You really better hope that.
Oh, stop, dude! I have like 4 emeralds on me, dude. No joke.
Fine. Run back to base. I'll protect you.
Base. We can have 6 emeralds. Get 2 emeralds. Get 2 emeralds so you can get Obby. No, Kyle, I have 2 emeralds on me. Don't.
Wait, can't we get Obby? What happened to the other emeralds that you had?
No, I had 4.
Savage
Get 2.
kid. Did somebody
I'm
break
getting us Forge and Pro. I'm getting us Forge and Pro.
Savage
Yellow's
love.
bridging.
Did somebody break your neck? Or I mean, yay, we got Forge!
Yellow's bridging to us. Yellow's bridging to us. Help! Fireball! Kyle. Yes, you got 1. Okay, let's good.
Dude, get him now!
What? He crushed. Got him. Why does everyone have bed bugs?
I mean, we do have enough for Obby! Okay, you need to get Obby now. I'm going for them.
Wait up.
Don't
I have 10 emeralds. Oh my god. This one. Kyle, you guard. You're coming. I'll have enough for. I have a bed bug. No, I have a bed bug. You! Alright, come on. We can't lose this, bro. I already got the obby and everything. Oh, come on. No. So if he drops TNT, I'm gonna go attack him. Oh, come on. I fell. I'm going up. Go up. Get him, yes. Good job. Let's go. Okay, we're good. Go. Get him. You can jump. Ladders. Oh,
dude, get that obby on now.
Earlier. I can't. You jumped. No, it's TNT. It's perfect. Now I can get an obby on.
Hurry.
Move. Yes, sir. Visible.
I'm breaking.
Did he? I don't think they see. I don't think they saw us. Yes, we have Bobby. Let's go. We have Bobby on. But that actually worked out because they just like helped us like a huge.
Okay, I'm gonna go get us extra forge.
I bet.
A pro Bedwars player. I want to get sharp and pry.
He's coming.
Kyle.
He's gonna come.
Ready? A pro Bedwars player. I'm gonna get sharp and pry. Dude, ready? A pro Bedwars player. I'm gonna get sharp and pry, Kyle. I'm gonna get forge.
I got invis.
Dude, no one cares.
Got invis.
Nobody cares. And I'm just that one guy that just says.
I do care.
You're the only person. I care. You guys are the only people.
Why is there just a fireball? Why is there just a fireball all the way over there? What was that? I'm gonna drink the invis soon. Not yet.
You're not getting that bridge. Wait, then we still have to go for gray though, don't we?
Which I think. Invis.
Bro, your invis isn't gonna help you because they
hit me! You hit me! What? You guys saw that! You saw that, right? You saw that punch, right? Go. I'm coming up.
How can they see you though? Aren't you invis?
Go yell! Quick! Again! Go! Oh, the bot stuff. Are you serious? Kyle, the bed's open.
Oh, it is.
Aye.
You realize how quick people are?
Oops, no, you have to go.
Guess spot, Kyle. I'm gonna break these dudes' bed because they
suck. A dumb boy. Oh no,
I'm a dumb boy. Duh. It's the news.
Da 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 da. I fell down to the void. I am a bot. Let's go.
Dude, their bed's open. Wait, did someone name OGX Gamer? Oh, it's OG Mighty. I was gonna say. Dude, every time we get
that's not our lobby, actually.
What?
Give me that, boy. That's not our lobby. Like the actual like another game lobby. I think they might have saw we had a lobby, but I don't know. I don't know for sure. They might have a diamond pick. So
I got ladders.
All right, good. I have ladders too. What am I doing? Ladders are actually very helpful if someone's like building up and they don't see you.
Dude.
Oh wait, there's a kid right there. There's a kid right there.
I fell into the void again.
I got him. Oh my gosh, Kyle. What are you doing?
Epic thing.
A loser.
Dude, their bed's open. Their bed's open. Go get it. Fireball!
No, it's not. It's not. It's not open. Oh, it is open. I can't. I'm trying to break it. Okay.
I just fireballed and you go, it's not open. Have you seen? Okay. Chill. It's just water. Gets a bucket of water. It is not just water! Dumps a bucket of water on his head. How's that for just water? It's the news, and the news is important to life and history. And if you don't agree with it, you can talk.
I did the Obi-Wan Kenobi thing.
Obi-Wan Kenobi! Wait, I
actually
can.
want armor bed.
His name is Obi-Wan.
Armor bed.
Do you want me to do it or not? Jeez, out. His name is Obi-Wan.
Yeah, go.
Every time I go to do it, you just interrupt.
That's right. Obby, bro. That's right.
His name is Obi-Wan Kenobi, and he's the guy all the ladies are after. There. Is that what you wanted? Are you happy now?
Okay. No, keep going.
That's it. Fine. His name is Obi-Wan Kenobi. And Aqua has diamond armor, and the high ground is going to be what they have next, isn't it? It's over, Aqua. I am going to die because they probably have a diamond pickaxe too because they have diamond armor.
Hey, you. I thought he was building with Obby for a second.
Dude!
I know I see him, but we have Obby. Remember?
What if he doesn't
remember? We have Obby. He doesn't know we have Obby. Blow that.
One emerald from that.
Oh, you died. Oh, you did die.
His name is Obi-Wan Kenobi, and he's the guy all the... Do you want me to say it or not? His name is Obi-Wan Kenobi, and he's the guy all the ladies are after. Man, is this voice getting tiring, but I'm gonna be the guy all the ladies are after.
Why is there water?
So to all the ladies watching this, I do not mean this in any, like, actual way. This is just a joke, and I don't...
Why is there water in the void?
Curse my...
Gray is Obby, I think. I'm pretty sure.
Dude, they don't! When I was a spectator, I saw their bed.
It looks like Obby with this headshot. I have, we don't talk about how much I have.
His name is Obi-Wan Kenobi, and I'm the guy all the ladies
We do not talk about how much emeralds I have. We do not talk about how much emeralds I have.
We do not talk about Obi-Wan Kenobi's beard. I can do the actual Obi-Wan Kenobi voice, like from the Clone Wars. It's over, Anakin. I'm the guy all the ladies are after. Padme wants me more than you, Anakin. It's over. No, Master, that's not true. Padme loves me just the way I am. That's not...
I may or may not have all the potions plus diamond armor.
Why didn't you get us extra?
Emeralds.
You didn't get us extra forge. You're against me.
I had emeralds.
No, nobody cares.
I got me diamond armor and I got all the potions.
I don't care. Forge. His name is Obi-Wan Kenobi, and he's the guy all those pretty ladies. I'm gonna get dislikes after this, aren't I? I sense a disturbance in the.
Yeah, this guy's pretty big.
I sense a disturbance.
Yeah, he's just one by the way.
I sense a disturbance in YouTube.
I might need more TNT, by the way, Kyle.
Okay.
I might need more TNT.
Void. Why? You say more TNT, eh?
I have all the potions. I just drank all the potions.
More TNT, eh? You're gonna regret saying that.
Oh, that. And he's dead. GG.
Darn it, I didn't have time to place down all. Dude, I got 65 TNT! 5, but same thing. Dude, right?
Wait, no. Okay.
Bro, we have to vote Lighthouse. That dude is insane. Wait, ready? My name is Obi-Wan Kenobi. I'm the guy all the ladies are after. It's over, Anakin! I have the ladies! It's over, Anakin! Padme likes me more than you! She's not a loyal girl, Blue! Blue!
Kill them.
Blue!
And we're dead, okay.
I just told you that Blue was coming! Why don't
Okay,
you...
we're good.
Anakin,
Alright, come on. I'm gonna drop my breeze skills.
Why didn't you listen to me?
I didn't know, okay?
I just said, I was like, yet. Blue's coming, and you go, I couldn't hear you.
Okay, get TNT.
Why do we need it? Oh, you know what? You can do this on
Okay,
your
build
own.
up.
It's over, Anakin! I have the high ground. Obi-Wan, are you okay? Do I look okay? No. Dude, they're coming, and they're the guys, all the ladies. They're the guys, all the ladies. The snack that smiles back. Look at he split fit.
Oh! I'm not cutting that out. I am not.
Neither am I. I don't even know how to cut.
That is so bad.
It's all your fault, dude. You're the one who told me to. Guys, he actually, no joke, private chatted me. He texted me.
What? I did not. You did it on yourself. You're bad.
His name is OGX Gamer, and he's the guy that all the lies are after. Hey, the super handsome voice never lies.
Take those.
No, you. I have enough wool to build the infinite bases, no joke. Let me bridge. Let me bridge! Dude, you're bullying me right now. I actually thought I wanted to be your friend until you started bullying me. Bro!
I know.
Bro! They're going to me!
Hey!
Our bed's gone, isn't it? Dude!
Oh, he's really good at PvP. Right, box.
Dude, we need to find Elmo right now. We need to find Elmo. Elmo.
You started god bridging.
Wow, you really had to say that, didn't you?
Oh, he just got.
Bro, Red's getting. Jeez, ow. Dude, Aqua just got like wrecked. Bro, Aqua just got wrecked. Or Gray. Sorry. No!
He's going up. Resources? Hi-oh.
It's over!
Hi-oh.
He's after the resources.
Me ladders where I go. Outliers. I'm coming. Where did he go? How did he get there? Kyle, he jumped. He's at our base. Our bed's gone.
No, he's not. He's at mid, and I'm about to get him.
Oh, I just got a ship. Nothing.
He had no emeralds, and he was hiding, and he was going to mid. Dude, ready to get obby?
I had no garbage, by the way. I had to drag with my hands.
It might come for us. We need to be very careful.
How am I supposed to
Dude, be serious about this. I almost fell into the void. Roger that, General. His name is Obi-Wan Kenobi! And he's the guy all the ladies are after, sir. Exactly. I'm proud of you, man.
That way? I'm gonna go rush damage in. So
no, don't! Seriously, stop! I'm at mid. I'm getting us emeralds. We can get obby if you stay at base and Red won't get us. Please don't go to diamond gen. I'm being serious.
I just built the diamond. I only built the diamond gen. Okay, I'm at our base. I'm not collecting emeralds. I'll bomb our bed with TNT so we can just like break it quicker. Like, you know.
I'll bomb our bed with TNT while we probably have another team that wants to kill us. It's a great idea. Who taught you this? Oh my gosh! Bro, the fact that I almost fell into the void again.
Get the abby, get the abby, get the abby, get the abby.
I don't have enough emeralds! Kidding. Dude.
Hurry up, just get the abby! Thank you.
Dude,
I said carefree. I don't know why I said carefree. Alright. Put it with wool. What are you doing? Put it with wool. Yeah, wool, right?
Dude, we need to get forge. Rush forge. I'll fireball.
Actually, sharp first, and then we can get forge.
I'm fireballing off that bridge.
No.
I missed. Don't you dare! Don't try me. I will. Okay, that's it. You're being fireball. Next bridge.
Stop! You don't rush forward. You rush sharp and then forward. Oh my.
I blew up a bridge.
Stop it! No, you didn't get forged, you idiot!
I know you didn't get forged. You deserved it.
Okay, let's go for white. White.
Get block trapped, bro.
You do realize I'm not gonna cut it, right?
No, I tried.
You do realize it's not gonna cut it, right? Uncle's actually white. Like that. Aisle! White, pink coming. Okay.
You didn't get forge! You knew what you were doing when you refused to buy forge. You knew the enemy you had made.
Alright, bridge, let's both go. Oh, what the flip? I didn't even bridge. Okay, that's nice. Alright, I just fell.
Darn it, I almost bought iron armor with their thing. They just killed me and got all my stuff. Okay, I'm gonna go get his forge.
Alright, good. Forge equals the splurge. What? I didn't say anything. What?
I blocked it up so you can't get here.
Okay.
Some wobble. No, I was gonna...
Oh, red's actually going to white. I almost died. Red's going to white.
Okay, I'm getting his forge. Because I could
Right,
get his...
I'm gonna just get white's bed right here.
Alright, I could get his prop, but I'm saving up for forge.
Hi, how are you? I'm just gonna break your bed right there. Thank you for your bed, sir.
He didn't even ask if it was okay. Dude, that's so mean. Why didn't you ask if it was okay? You're such a bully, you know that? Like, remember when you used to call me Itty? Eensy weensy little people. You're dead, aren't you?
Oh, I'm just covering up this white place. Oh, shoot, they're fireballing it. Okay.
That was me.
I'm just like, yeah, I'm just trying to. No, go down there. Go down there. No, you go down. No, Kyle, you go down, and I'll just stay up here. Okay? Go now. He's runs right here. He's super low from the TNT. Where's the other? Oh, he's right there. He's right there. I'm killing him. Oh, never mind. I'm not killing him. My aim is dying. My aim died. Oh my gosh. Dude, my aim is
Dude, missing popcorn is a beast, bro. He's the one who made fishy on me too.
Oh, no,
I want to beat you up just. I want to beat you up. Just gonna throw you out a window. Fishy on window. Fishy on a window. Fishy on a window. Fishy
on a window?
He died, so he's on the window. Because he got hit by a car.
Oh my gosh.
He's on the window because he got hit by a car and died. Isn't it so funny because he died? What is wrong with you? Yeah, I'm just going to accuse you of saying this dark humor.
Yes, go to Aqua! Yes, White! White, go to Aqua, yes!
And
yes,
die!
White.
You're just sentencing death. Yes, White! Go kill yourself! That's basically what...
Yes, they got their bed!
Yes, White! Go kill yourself! That's basically what you're saying. This is what OJ Gamer is saying. This is what OJ... Yes, White! Go kill yourself!
Oh my gosh,
It's you! What do you mean? You're blaming me for something that you're doing. So, I already know for a fact that Red's...
Where's my pick?
I already know for a fact that red's getting obby, and I don't care. Hey, should we be concerned that red's probably been at mid this entire time, and I just saw them at mid?
Oh, wait. White just took out Aqua. Both of them. White really just took out both Aquas.
I told you he's good.
Why?
I told
He's
you.
insane.
Fishy on a window.
I'm gonna kill him.
I wanna go on a fishy on a window. Fishy on a window. Hit him with a car. Make him bleed. Fishy on a window. Fishy on a window. Make him bleed. Yes, suffering indeed. Just are you okay?
He's a bow spammer. He's literally spamming Ant's belly. He's literally spamming Ant's. I'm right in front of him.
Oh, no crap.
What is with people these days?
No.
What is with
You
people
think that
these
you can
days?
get me, but you really won't care. I threw myself in the third. Bro, blue is diamond armor. And
that's probably Bobby too. That's great. If they didn't get Obby, I'm gonna be.
We have Obby.
They did not get Obby. They could have. They do?
We do.
No, I'm saying it's looted, and they bought diamond armor instead.
Okay, so where are you at? Go to whatever diamond gen is closest. Dude, okay, go to whatever diamond gen. Go to whatever diamond gen is closest to you and get some forge.
What about diamond armor?
Yeah, they have diamond armor.
Do both of them have diamond?
No, I think it's just one. Why am I jumping in the void? Oh my gosh! I do this on purpose, and I don't know why.
I just killed a mini diamond armor. I just killed me a diamond armor.
Well, he had a
do they have 5 layers of obsidian? That's not obsidian, is it? No, it's a Wait, is that obsidian? Hold up. Is that obsidian?
Nobody cares. Just come back with the emeralds.
Like 4 layers of obsidian. I think blue has like 3 or 4 layers.
Nobody. Oh my gosh, dude! Just come back with the emeralds you have.
They have slowness and blindness.
Why would you go there with emeralds?
I have emeralds on me, bro. Chill.
Why would you even? I'm
gonna go for red today.
Oh my gosh!
Red also has diamond armor. Yeah. Hey, that's so nice. That's so nice.
Dude, you legit deserved that. You weren't even. I'm not even.
I have emeralds on me.
You had emeralds? You had or you don't have emeralds on you? I don't want to go with the fishy on a window. Fishy on a window. No, the fishy's on a window. Fishy on a window.
I'm gonna block myself in, okay? I'm gonna block myself with blue. Come on.
No,
I have tools and everything. I'm gonna block myself in blue.
I'm not even close to blue. I'm not even anywhere close.
Where are you?
I'm like really close to Aqua's base. Like I'm actually at Aqua's base right now.
That's red. That's red. Red is coming. Red is literally almost at her base. Void. Put everything in your chest and void.
I don't have time to void. I'm voiding. I don't have time to void. Voids immediately.
Well, let's get louder deliveries. Oh, shoot, I just saw.
Bro, I just heard the Herobrine sound from like the series that's the recording that's about to come out soon.
Ah, no! I'm so garb. I am so garb. I'm literally garb. Am I recording? Okay, good. I'm recording. I am so garb. Oh, they're here. They're right there. He's a diamond pick! Okay, he's a diamond pick! He's the other one! Where's the other one?
The other one's right there!
I see a diamond pick. Oh, scary.
I've got it, don't worry.
I'm actually scared. Well, they have a diamond pick. That's kind of, yeah. They have to have Obby. We need diamond tools and everything.
They got me. I tried to chase after them, but they got me. Do we need to get forge now?
They got you!
Okay, I'm gonna go get us extra forge.
3 fireballs.
Okay, fireball everything. Fireball every bridge. Fireball every bridge. And I mean every single bridge that's connected to red. Oh my gosh, I saw your strawberry skin and I thought that was red. Every time I see your strawberry skin, I always think that you're red though, cause like you look red.
We are not secure Obby because red has a diamond pick.
Then we just get more Obby. AKA Forge, baby!
Bro, it's like 20 emeralds to get. That's like 20 emeralds to get a second player. Hello? I can't piss a block here.
So I'm gonna go to the nearest diamond gen and I'm gonna go eliminate red. Just kidding.
I have diamond tools everything.
Oh yeah, fun fact.
I have diamond tool everything. So
after we go through all the work of getting through, oh never mind.
Quickly, you're blue.
No, dude, that's not it. Dude, you're like, we can't rely on that. Just because they're blue, we can't rely on. No crap! Don't go. Retreat. You just turned right around.
Oh, I have diamond tools and 3 fireballs.
Yeah, well, they're base with diamond armor and probably.
Oh, over here, this gen, split it. Come over here, no, come back. Yes, split the gen. Okay, whatever. I guess you're not coming.
I'm voiding. Actually, no, I shouldn't.
Why?
Because I have 6 emerald diamonds and I put them in my ender chest, so I have to go get it so we can get extra forge.
I have 4 fireballs.
I want to go with the forge on me. Forge on me.
Forge.
I just love how we're always rushing forge
Come
now.
on, Kyle. Kyle, I'm going to red right now. I'm going to red.
Wait, why are you going? Don't wait for me.
Don't see me. You don't see me. Don't the base.
Dude, if you have a diamond pick, I can't go there now. I'm too far away. I put it in the wrong chest, didn't I? Bro, I swear, I know. Okay, that's good, man. You just ruined my hopes and dreams, by the way. You have to go after this.
That dream defender, no.
Wait.
That clutch! That actual clutch! No, that clutch! You guys saw that clutch. That was actually insane.
Are you going for their bed?
Yeah! Blue's bed is literally open! Like, I didn't even have to do anything to it.
They don't have a bed!
Wait, they don't?
You actually thought they had a bed. Dude, Red got it like.
Okay, chill, brother. Brother.
I'm not cutting this out. This is staying in the video. Final product. I already know.
I don't care. I have more quality content than you.
How does that?
Is that right?
Well, that you actually think.
Because you found the void on, like, bro, you literally just jumped into the void.
I hate you. We're not talking about. Dude. Stop, don't get them yet. I want to see what I can do really quickly. No way. Wait until you see
bro,
what I
they have a dream for everything.
No, stop. Please don't. I want to do something. Please don't. I want to do something. Please don't.
Oh, please say you don't have like 15 fireballs or something.
Well, close.
Oh
but
gosh, I swear.
please, I really want to do something. It's going to be really cool. I promise. Love it.
Come on. Let's go.
Let me get my diamond armor first.
I'm at red and gray's diamond. Actually, I'm at red base.
Okay, so let me get a iron sword real quick. So make sure you have blocks, by the way.
2 emeralds, that's enough. I have 25 pieces of gold.
You're gonna want blocks, by the way.
It is.
Don't
Why?
get.
I have blocks. Don't worry.
Because you're gonna want to build
I have
up.
7 pieces of TNT.
No, it's okay. Give me all your TNT, because that'll give me 33. It's not enough.
Go to red base. Not red base.
Okay. I'm going to gray to get some more summer supplies because it's gonna be. No, I actually want to like basically make their base rain. Bro, they won't even know what hit them. Dude,
It's gonna be so bad.
And I'm not even after their bed at this point. I'm kind of just going after like their pride. So.
Dude, they have no bed.
I said I'm going after their pride. Okay, give me all of it.
There you go. And 2 fireballs.
Okay, that gives me
And take a few gaps.
7 fireballs.
My God. There's 3 gaps behind you. Behind you, 3 gaps. Alright, take everything. 3 gaps behind you. No,
Wait.
behind. Oh my, right here. Here, take those. Take these. Take 2 now because you just missed. Are you ready? Are you ready, kids? Hopefully they're not going for us. 'Cause I don't see them at the base.
They are at their base. Ready?
Yeah, I'm building up. I have ladders, so we're good.
I don't even care if we die because I just really want this to happen.
Yes.
I want to see Blue's reaction to this.
Just drops a ton of TNT. Just drops a ton of TNT, like a crap ton of TNT.
I can't
We're
risk.
talking 33 pieces of TNT.
Jump on this bridge. Dude, their base is safe.
You ready?
They probably think their base is safe.
I'm invis.
Go!
Yeah! Use the gas! Where are they? Oh, they're up here. They're hiding up here. I think you killed one with the TTM. Oh, this guy's hacking. This guy's hacking. The one blue kid's hacking. He's low. Go up there. He's slow. He's so slow.
I didn't even get him. It was the TNT. It was the TNT that got him.
If you like this,
make sure you subscribe. If you guys want to see TNT Rain, so guys, we're gonna end up. Okay, guys. So guys, really quickly, before I end my video, guys, I'm naming this TNT Rain Bedwars. If you guys want to see TNT Rain, if you guys want to see more TNT Rain Bedwars, make sure you special like, and we'll do this special type of Bedwars every game. Well, maybe not every game, but we'll do regular Bedwars. Then maybe we'll do one special video where we immediately do TNT Rain Bedwars. We rush Forge and we do TNT Rain Bedwars. TNT Rain Bedwars in the comments. Anyway, guys, this is TNT Rain Bedwars, and I'll see you all.
And my
peace. And peace out, my fellow Raiders.